Definitely Taylor Swift. Ugh. Oprah. Oh, what's their name? You know, that gay boy band that plagiaries is anything good cause they have no fucking talent. Fag Direction is it? Truth Amando fucking Vines. A combo of Adele and Toad from Mario. Adele, I find her music annoying and I don't know how to spell her name. Toad, he has an annoying voice and he always says my princess is in another castle. Fucking Snooki, she has the evil power to make people retarded. Selena Gomez puts herself out there for any famous guy. Porn, I love porn. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber and the Lady Gaga. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber, ha. All of them. Around most celebrities, but actually the ones that annoy me the most are all of the Kardashians, Miley Cyrus, and most of all Justin Bieber. Ever since that dumb baby song, I have wanted to give him black eyes. Justin Bieber, annoying music that's lame and he so spits on floor. Faggy, most celebrities annoy me, I love YouTubers more. Kim Kardashian, Justin Bieber and Taylor Swift also let's not forget 1D. I live shit. Taylor Swift. I hate her so much. Ugh. Justin Bieber, Miley Cyrus, Jonas Brothers, Lady Gaga, One Direction, Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, Anne Hathaway, Nicki Minaj and more. The annoying celebrities annoy me the most. Like Ailsha Dixon on Strictly Come Dancing in Britain's Got Talent cause she can't dance and she tries to copy Amanda's laugh, but Amanda's laugh is awesome like haha. Also she's alright though, but really annoying. Lady Gaga, she pretends to not give a monkey's ass about what people think is her wacky style, but really if anyone crosses her path, she shits a brick and sues them. And when she got in a fight with Diane Ward, she might as well have been tweeting I am popular, because I am in attention HORE popularity means talent, Fu Gaga Diane Ward OWWMEDU. Well to me big time Rush so all of them, basically all the rappers, not the good ones like Eminem, Tupac, etc. I sang Drake, Barbie Nicki Minaj, I don't know how to spell her name, they talk about, bitches, money, getting their dick sucked and how their life is better than yours. Justin Bieber, the celebrity that annoys me the most would have to be Taylor Swift. Shut up with your songs already okay, you broke up stop making songs about it. Your relationships just won't work out I bet guys don't want to date her cause they know that she will write a song about their breakup freaking One Direction. Justin Bieber, who really cares about your music? You sound like a girl. Miley Cyrus I just think she's really getting annoying and I don't like her no more. Bustin' Jaiber. JUSTFUCKSHITVER. Rihanna. I've gotten enough of auto-tune, thank you. Chief Keef. Seriously why pink? Why couldn't it be any other color? What has this planet come to? Since when do we define celebrity idols by a freaking color? Justin Bieber in One Direction. So ugly. So annoying. So much wannabes, or wannabitches. Justin Bieber. I mean seriously, who doesn't he annoy the fuck out of? Miley Cyrus. Justin Bieber, who really cares about your music? You sound like a girl.